good day. My name is Ken Hale, and I'd like to talk to you about insurance myths. We put together a special report called 100 Insurance Myths, and this is meant to educate prospective clients or clients about the myths that exist in this business. There are more than 100, but we put together a report of 100 insurance myths. The reason we did this is that, truth be known, most insureds don't actually read their policies. And if they did, they wouldn't know how all the terms and conditions fit together. More importantly, they wouldn't know what options they have to change those terms and conditions. Instead, insureds have misunderstandings about their insurance policies. They listen to what their neighbors said about their claims experience or about their insurance policy or how inexpensive it is. And they listen to those myths without actually knowing what the truth is. Give me some examples. Let me give you some examples. In commercial insurance, there's a concept called coinsurance. And there are three options: 100% coinsurance, 90% coinsurance, or 80% coinsurance. So if we ask the question of the typical insurance buyer, what's best, they would say 100% coinsurance is best. And the truth is, that's the worst. And we talk about that in this report. The other myth is that if you have a policy that provides replacement cost coverage, that it provides brand new replacement cost items if they're destroyed in a fire. That's not true. Insurance policies will replace with like kind and quality. If it's used, they have a right to replace it with something that is used. That's an insurance myth. A third example is in business interruption. Business interruption policies are available that cover the actual loss sustained if you have a business interruption event. A fire, for example, that destroys your building, under the actual loss sustained form, it doesn't have a limit, it'll pay your actual loss sustained. Sounds good, but it's a myth, because under actual loss sustained, the fine print indicates that the most they will pay you is up to 12 months. You cannot replace a commercial building, and probably a house, in 12 months. By the time you settle up with the insurance company, the investigation is completed by the fire authorities, you take bids, and they actually start the rebuilding, it's going to be more than 12 months. So those are examples, and we have many other examples that you might be interested in. If you'd like to have the special report, you can download it from our website. Click on the appropriate section here, and you can have it. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to call me on my direct dial number.